This is a 3-month update from my Lavender germination post beginning of July 2019. It's now October 17th. Throughout the course of the growth, I've been watering them no more than once a week and just making sure the leaves are not looking too dry. There have been a few casualties from weaker seedlings that were too small and not quite ready to be planted in the soil yet or needed more moisture. Overall, though, many of the germinated seeds have survived. As you can see, even after 3 months, some of the seeds are still waking up. I did replace the wet paper towel once, but you can see there's some black mold or algae growing. I'll move these sprouts soon and call it quits on the remaining seeds. Since we're just getting into fall here in the Midwest, the temperatures outside have gotten down to freezing and the house has gotten cooler. I planted 3 to 4 seedlings per cup, which is a bit crowded. But throughout the winter, these will be in low maintenance mode and I'll just be monitoring the moisture. In the spring, when we're well past freezing temperatures, I will set these outside to harden off. My plan is to get these in the ground once it warms up, along with some compost. Since it's fall now, I'm not going to give them any fertilizer. Spring is when they'll need the boost. The first couple of leaves from the sprout get their nourishment from the seed. The next leaves to develop are the true leaves. Unless anyone has a question or wants to see progress over winter, which I imagine will be pretty slow, I'll probably wait to post an update until spring. I've labeled some of these cups with true, and I do have a couple of cups for rosemary. Not very many of those seeds germinated. My son was looking at these and commented, "Mom, have you watered true in a while? This one looks dead." Yeah, unfortunately, those didn't make it.